a chihuahua?
I come to say goodbye.
Where are you going?
It's on a little trip.
Charlie, will I ever see you again?
Sure. Sure you can. You know, goodbyes aren't forever.
Then, goodbye, Charlie. I love you.
Can you do a guinea pig? Can you do a pickle?
I don't care how long it takes, as long as I'm with you. I've got a smile on my face. Save your tears.
Do you know why the universe didn't allow our pets to speak? To teach us that love and loyalty come through actions and not words.
Can you do a dog?